Hello friends, I'm Kavedia sir, and I'm back with a new circuit called as social distancing system. Now this is designed uh, to have a social distancing, seeing the COVID-19 where actual social distancing is needed. Our Prime Minister Shri Modi ji is repeatedly telling keep social distancing, keep social distancing, but yet you have seen what is the scenario. So what I did is using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor, I've designed a circuit. What that circuit does is if somebody comes within 2 feet in the front of a person or 2 feet in the back of a person, it will start beeping. And if it is beyond 2 feet, there won't be any beep. So friends, let's see how exactly this circuit. So friends, let's see the coding of this Arduino based system, to which I've given the name as social distancing system using Arduino. Now, most of the functions used in this code are known and simple. The only new function in this code I'm using is pulse in. Now, what this pulse in does, basically it measures the time period between a pulse going high to pulse going low. So, when I give a pulse high, it starts counting, and when that pulse goes low, it stops counting. So what it basically will do, it will measure the time between the pulse and its reflection. So basically when ultrasonic sensor gives the signal burst, when that signal travels and when hits the objects and come back, so when it comes back, the total time duration for going ahead and coming back is given by this pulse in function. I hope this pulse in function is clear to you. Now friends, let's see the coding. I have defined 4 pins for 2 ultrasonic sensors. So there are 2 trigger pins and 2 echo pins. So my sensor 1 is controlled by Arduino pin number 2 and 3 for echo and trigger. Similarly my sensor 2 is controlled by pin number 9 and 10 for echo and trigger. Defined one LED and one buzzer pin. So these are basically to give the visual and audible indication. Now coming to the next, I have given a long variable as duration and duration 1, which will record the duration of the pulse which is given out from the sensor and again received within the sensor. Similarly, 2 variables called as distance of type integer to calculate the distance between the object and the sensor. Now let's see what setup function says. Now everybody knows that this setup function is used only once, that is to initialize. So I have set the trigger pin as output for both the sensor. I have set trigger pin as output for both the sensor. So you can see this is also trigger pin is output, and then echo pin as input. Now since LED and buzzer are output device, their pins are set to output. Now to set the pins input and output, I am using the function which is called as pin mode. Now here I have started a serial communication. Now for details of serial communication, you see my video on serial communication between Arduino and the system. Now here what I am doing is I am making the output high so that LED will glow and the buzzer will buzz, and this will remain in the same state for 2 seconds. So this is basically for testing my system that my system is working. And after that what I'll do, I'll set this buzzer to low and this LED to low, means turn off the LED as well as turn off the buzzer. So after a delay of 100 milliseconds, the setup will be over. So what I'm doing in setup is I'm setting the trigger pin as output, I'm setting the echo pin as input, as well I'm setting the LED and buzzer pin as output. Along with that, for one time I'm making the buzzer and LED high and then buzzer and LED low with a time gap of 2 seconds. So here my setup is over, and this indicates that my system is functioning, that when LED and buzzer turns on and off, it indicates my system is working properly. Now let's see what is the code in the loop. Now what I'll do, I'll first make in the loop the trigger pin as low, and it will go for 2 milliseconds. So I'm using the delay microsecond function. So it will take the delay of 2 microseconds. So this delay is of 2 microseconds. Now after that, trigger pin will be made high. So trigger pin is made low for 2 microseconds and then it is set high for 10 microseconds. So once that given high, it will again make a low on the same pin. So what I'm doing is I'm making the trigger pin low, set it high for 10 microseconds and again set it low. So I'm generating a pulse. Now what this pulse will do, now this pulse has been transmitted. Now it is waiting for the echo of that particular pulse. So pulse in function will read the duration. So this duration is in the long format and till the pin I get high. So I set echo pin high, I'll get a duration and I'll calculate duration distance as duration into 0.034 divided by 2. This is standard given by this is standard for the ultrasonic sensor. Now I'll get the distance in centimeters. Since I get distance in centimeters, I'm checking if the distance is less than 60 centimeters or 2 feet, the buzzer and LED will get on. Similarly, if the distance is greater than 60 centimeters or 2 feet, buzzer and LED will remain off. Now for testing of my system, I'm outputting this distance on serial monitor. So on serial monitor, I'll come to know what is exactly the distance of the ultrasonic sensor. Similarly, once this complete code was for sensor 1, exactly same code is written for sensor 2. You can see the code. Now sensor 1 is installed in front of a person and sensor 2 is installed in back of the person. Now you can see the distance. Sensor 1 distance is up to 20 centimeters. Again it is reducing, and again it is increasing. The same way you can see the sensor 2's distance. So I hope friends you might have understood the code and definitely you might have enjoyed this, that by using by simple ultrasonic sensor and my simple Arduino, I can make a very nice application which will help me in maintaining the social distancing. Now apart from the social distancing, this can be used by the blind person also. Now when a blind person is moving, somebody comes in front of the back, it will start beeping. So such many different applications this circuit can be used. Thank you.